I've always been bound by a cable when using traditional tyre inflators, not anymore thanks to this, the WooWind Ventus Pro. Supplied in this rather compact sized yet attractive retail package, inside you'll find everything you need to get up and running straight away. No additional accessories or parts to purchase whatsoever, which is always a welcome touch. With a metal and plastic construction, the pump itself is rather sleek and compact, yet is very sturdy and robust, easily solid enough to withstand being used or dropped roadside. Not that I'd want to drop this, of course, it really does feel premium, yet comfortable in the hand, although at around half a kilo, it does carry some weight, most likely down to the batteries contained within. But saying that, the sleek and compact size means it's something that can be stored and kept in your glove box rather than being banished to your car boot. Otherwise, the Ventus Pro pump works pretty much the same as any other digital smart pump on the market. On the front of the pump, you'll find the main power button, surrounded by buttons that increase and decrease your pressure settings, a mode button, and a unit of measure button. The LED display screen is above the buttons, which we'll come back to shortly. The bottom of the pump has 4 rubber feet and the air intake grille, while up top we find a white LED light. Long pressing the unit of measure button will turn the LED light on. Long pressing the same button again will cause it to flash, and long pressing a third time will cause the light to flash in an SOS pattern. Finally, a long press of the button a fourth time will turn the LED off. While it's not the brightest LED I've come across, it's useful to use in a pinch, when it's dark and you need to find your tyre valve for instance, so it's a welcome addition. Next to this is the USB-C charging port used to charge the built-in 4800mAh battery. That's enough to charge a standard vehicle tyre from empty to full around 7 times over. Note, however, you cannot operate the pump while charging, so it's a good idea to fully charge before a long road trip. To the right of the USB-C port is the 12-volt port for the included car adapter. By using this, you can operate the pump just like any other standard wired inflator, although note that this will strictly only operate the pump. It will not charge the internal batteries. That's restricted for the USB-C port only. Finally, we have the screw hole where the hose connects, which is included of course, and comes complete with a range of adapters too, namely Dunlop, Presta, needle and nozzle adapters, a nice added touch. With a fully charged battery then, the unit provides a nice clear display readout, easy enough to see even in bright conditions. Quickly pressing the U button, located above the power button, will change the unit of measurement for the pump. The pump will remember what the last unit of measure and mode you were in when you last used it. Just beneath this is a pressure readout of the currently connected item, along with several selectable modes. Using the mode button, which is beneath the power button, we can cycle through vehicle, motorbike, cycle, ball, and a custom mode, where you can set the pressure up to 150 psi. Setting the pressure is done under each mode using the plus and minus buttons. So, for example, if I wanted to top up my vehicle tyre, I'd ensure it's in the vehicle mode, set my unit of measurement to bar, and the pressure level to 2.2, which are my go-to settings. The unit will now remember these settings every time I use the system, so from here, connect to the tyre, and we're set to go. Just like any other standard inflator, there will be some noise from the air compressor, but within a short space of time you're done, and after working my way around the vehicle, I can confirm all tyres are now at the correct pressure. Quick, easy, and no fumbling about with cables. Onto my cycle next, connect up, and off we go. It'll cut the pump as soon as the desired pressure has been reached, and again save the settings for future use. All nice and easy. In summary then, the Ventus Pro Smart Pump not only looks sleek, it's compact enough to fit in your glove box too, yet robust and offers fast, reliable performance. It will get warm to the touch, but certainly not as hot as some other pumps I've used in the past. I do wish it would last longer, maybe with a high capacity battery, but I do appreciate how you can run the pump from the car adapter should the battery deplete, or even if you forget to keep the battery charged. All in all then, there's little to complain about here. It's a versatile unit with solid performance, yet is portable enough to carry around with you on your travels. If you're after a new tyre inflator, the Ventus Pro comes well recommended.